Hi guys, I know I haven't filmed in a really long time, so today I'm going to be giving you a special. I have a new pet. I have a new pet, guys, and I'm really happy I do, but there's some bad news. That my dog Mango ran away, so that's why I haven't filmed in a long time, but I have a new dog and she's coming right now. Hi! Her name is Roxy. Say hi, Roxy. Say hi. No, Roxy. No, baby. Lord, get up on the porch. Roxy, what's it doing? What's it doing? Yeah, so we think she's a border collie because of the way she looks. She just showed up, but now she's our pet, and she does eat. Yes, you do love it, don't you? Don't you? Don't you love it? You love it, don't you? She's about a year old. Say she's about a year old. And I love her really much. I love her. I love her. She's so cute. Ain't she? So cute. What is it, girl? Yeah, we're gonna have to get her a haircut because her butt hair and some of her tail hair is really long, but I'm sure you think I'm weird when I said butt hair. Yeah. And I have a strange story when I was in the shower last night. Or was it last night? It was a few days ago. I took some shampoo, put it in my hair, and then after a while, I got out the shower, I smelled my hair, and it smelled horrible. But now it doesn't. It feels really good. Roxy! Roxy! Look, Roxy! Nothing. Look at her. She's so cute. What you doing with Roxy? What is it, Roxy? What is it? Look at her. Yeah. When someone goes taking their other dogs to the go on a walk, she goes running after them, but she doesn't really follow them. I'm gonna sit with you, baby. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So cute. Yeah. And guys, I'm sorry because my friend at Mimi's church, he watches my videos a lot, and he's been saying, when are you gonna make me another video? So that's what I'm doing today. I'm making another video for him, but it's not really for him. It's for Roxy because we got her like a week ago. So she showed up a week ago and we took care of her, and then she became a dog. So yeah, that's how my family gets dogs. They just show up and then they're ours. Right, baby? Right? Right? Oh, and I forgot to tell you, she never leaves me. Like, she never leaves me or Sophia. And like, we went over to our Mimi's, which you can see their house over there. I guess you can see it a little bit. Yeah. We went across the street and she did not leave us. Right, isn't that right? Isn't that right, baby? Isn't that right? Oh, so cute. Yeah. She's pretty cute. Yeah. Oh, and she does it like most dogs. She sticks her tongue out the side of her mouth. What is it? What is it? so cute. Oh, so cute. Why do dogs and cats have to be so cute? They're just so cute. No. Well, guys, if you like this video, just give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Love you.